In this video, you're going to learn how to make board covers on your Pinterest account. So the first step is to go to your profile. So if you are starting out on the home feed, you're going to go and click on your name right here over on the upper right to get to your profile. Once you're in your profile, you're going to go to the tab for your boards, and then you'll see all of your boards with your pins on them. And what we want to do is choose a photo that's going to be the cover of the board. And this is the photo that should be representative of what to expect on that board. So I'm going to open up this beef tamales board, and I'm going to click the edit button. And it allows me to add a description, which you definitely should be doing with some keywords. Tell them what kind of board it is. It's about food. And we can add a cover. Now the default is it just pulls the most recent pins as the cover, but we can choose an image from the ones that we pinned that we think best shows what people can expect on this board. So I think this image shows what people can expect in a really good way. So I'm going to click Save Changes. Now, if you're pinning content from your own website, you want to make sure that you're choosing one of your images as the board cover, because that helps people to recognize your content and help them to know what content they should expect from you. Now, once it's done, click Save, and you're going to go back out to your profile. So I'm just going to click View Profile again, go to my boards, and here I can see that that image has displayed. So you want to check and make sure that it looks good as your board cover. So you'll repeat this process going through each of your boards on your account. Now, if you enjoyed this video or you thought that it was helpful, please tag a friend down in the description, hit that share button, share it on social, and hit the subscribe button so that you can get notified every time we have a new video here at Smart Creative Social. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.